Hi guys, welcome, Sandy here. So today we are going for zero waste. Absolutely zero waste. Nothing wasted, all used. Because here's the thing, how long have we been trying to get rid of scraps? How many videos have I made? How many quilt blogs have I created trying to get my scrap pile down? Over the last 11 months, I would say loads of them. And what I realized is I am making quilt blogs using leftover fabrics, but I'm still creating leftover fabric scraps as I do that. Each quilt block results in more fabric scraps. It's a never-ending cycle. Well, no more, because for this video, there won't be a scrap of fabric left. Intrigued? Let me show you. Okay, we are starting out by making a twisted rail fence quilt block. Have you ever tried one? They're a lot of fun and really easy to make. So in order to make them, we will need 8 5.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles, all in different colors preferably. And yeah, this is 8. And another 8 rectangles in the same size for your background fabric. Okay, so now we are joining each and every one of them right sides together in different directions, just like so. So we want to pin them in place, that's first. And then we get our ruler. This is my tiny ruler because now I have a big one. I'm very proud of it. We mark our 45-degree line right here. And we draw a line from this corner over here to that corner over there. And make sure the fabrics are overlapping perfectly, okay? So this is the first thing we do. We make this line and then we go over 1/2 inch and we draw a second line. And we will be doing this for all our 8 pairs. Okay, so now we'll be sewing on both the lines and I will be chain sewing these. You know how much I love doing that, but you can sew one at a time, no problem, okay? Do what feels best for you. Okay guys, so this is what we have, and now we just need to cut between these lines. Okay, and here's why we made 2 lines instead of 1. If we made just 1 line and cut it, we'd be left with a lot of triangle scraps when you trimmed off the excess, right? But if we do it like this, what do we get? Half square triangles we can use for a second quilt block, and that's how we make it zero waste. Bam! Perfect! Okay, got a little carried away. I apologize. Still loving it though. Okay, so let's get back to our twisted rail fence quilt block. Now we need to press these open nice and straight with our seam to the darker side, okay? So we always press our seam to the darker side. Just like Darth Vader. Now we just need to pair them together and sew each pair into a square. So let's see how we do this. So like this, maybe, so that's one. Maybe the blue with the pink. Nah, I like my pinks with my purples. And the blue with the yellow. Let's sew. Now, I haven't really had the chance to show you my new ruler, have I? Look, 24 by 6.5. So since it's exactly 6.5 that we need, we are just going to go ahead, look, and trim this. So yeah, I can have it all done in one sitting. Which reminds me, guys, this video is made possible by your generous support on Patreon. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I'm very grateful for you all. Okay guys, so now we play, and I have actually a different set right here in a totally different color, you know, to make a little bit of contrast. Now let's see. We could do simple stripes, right? That looks cute. We could actually trade for this one. We could do something like this, a little bit of a cross, look at that. But you know what? If we are making a twisted rail fence quilt block, a traditional one, you know, which we are, this is actually the traditional design. So this would be it. Nice little ring, right? And this would be the darker version of it. Really, really cute. Don't you agree? I love it. I think it looks great, and it will make a stunning, stunning quilt. So yeah, I guess we will be sewing these both, and I will be right back. Gotta nest these seams. Okay, go ahead. And now we trim them with my awesome super duper new ruler, which I absolutely love. And this actually makes for a 12.5 by 12.5 inch quilt block, in case you're wondering. And here we have it, guys. Our first quilt block is done, and now all there's left to do is make our second one to keep our zero waste pledge. Okay, so here are our half square triangles. These are our dark shades. These are our nice and light ones. So let's go ahead and press them nice and open. Oh, missed the dog ear. There we go. Always pressing to the dark side. Now, as you know, and as I've shown you in previous videos, there are countless combinations you can do with half square triangles, and I'm actually going to leave a couple of videos in the links below so you can check out, you know, some of the ideas, like dozens of them, I think. But, you know, if we're keeping with zero waste, then I think we'll need an extra background fabric, you know, one for each color to make 2 9-patch quilt blocks. And now it's time to play. So, for example, let's do something like this. We can put this one in the middle and just point towards it. We can make like triangles, like for example, these go up, these go to the side, these go down, this goes to the other side. Half square triangles are, I have said this before and I'll say it again, the most versatile quilt blocks out there. So yeah, you can do whatever you want and make sure you have zero waste on your hands, and that's exactly our point, okay? And there we have it, guys. Stunning combinations made with what is essential, the leftover fabric from our twisted rail fans quilt blocks. I'm telling you, there is no waste in sewing. Everything can be used and nothing is worthless. Zero waste is promised, and two very lovely, very awesome quilt blocks done in no time. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a blast, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye!